A minister General Sacheng nyisabui pejoi Adekis na nako Soroti Morapesur Health Center 3 Kakichinjaji Health Center 3 katiakunet na okide na wei bugaloko Soroti acheng na opaske minister le yait nwai manimani program sulu apugan koto moyapieskia President Peter Gwang Rosemary Seninde na depolo kinita isupaseta koto mopate lokai na rem keja ichie koto mongareno kunyesabu okora ipalisin aisu kai itadan kaiboro ichie nedeja Adekis angun agangatana ibora alu nyeselo munit kanede jai Edimon Abat Ariko lode dakte mendera lopati loena rem kanuda seona itemuno kanwe bukloko Soroti City East na Ebeit tolota kaisara alu kanyauni nwela palo oineri kieneja sengareno kaminista chenginyesa balaibe apugan nyesida dawa igiro na inapeta nwelo skintere aito jokar eja utene lo Adekis na nako Soroti na ijana kini district anaito monoto marina koteso.
The structures in Soroti regional referral hospital need revamping, and so we are going to break them down and build structures moving upwards so that we save on space and address the issue of congestion. We are going to have ultra-modern buildings here in Soroti Regional Referral.
Captain Mike Mukula, Lode Raya Tupito na Apollo Neicholong, Otomopate Lokoena Rem, Arino Kidena ko Uganda, Nyesideli Pengareno Kolu Oteso, Aibu Makin, Kosodeta Tupaki na inapeta, Nwadawa Minister Lachun, Kanede Japugan, Kanuda Waito Jokari Jautenelo Adekis na Kapolon nako Soroti, Naeba Nyesidaebe, Erai Amolegna Chokisho, Nuipunoi.
That is the work of a member of parliament, because the member of parliament has got three functions. One is legislation. A member of parliament is a legislator and to make laws. Number two is oversight. Member of parliament has got the oversight role to see to it that the inadequacies in government can be addressed. The third position is representation. A member of parliament is supposed to represent the interests of his people. Fellow comrades, I want to tell you that there appears to have been no effective correlation between the people in terms of service delivery and those who are on the ground.
A minister le yait no manimani program sulu apugan ko yapieskia President Peter Gwang nyeside lair aitinga kini kaingare no kolu itolitolete i program sulu apugan
district sikere lote sari loja nyitara disease hari nyisi jikaos adomtika balwan eda unase wa kaisara luka nyeuni actually na unieta jengo mbere palisa ajebere ngakere palisa hanya nara jai monyo palisa da noinoi
Kanuka TV is Alexander Makeyo Kori Koibuga Soroti.